Our next song is the Ballroom. We'll be looking a little bit more at sharps as we're in Unit 8. Okay, for this piece we're going to be using a D major 5-finger scale. Let's have a practice. The notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A. Notice we're going up and down. Let's give it a practice. Right, first I'm going to show you how to play the song. Then we're going to play with the rhythm. There is a change of hand position for this piece, so watch out for that. Ready? 4 moves to D. Then move back down. Right, we're going straight in to play with the rhythm. Have a listen to the music. Okay, and are you ready? Let's play. You did it. Do you feel confident that you can move on to the next one now?